Hello and welcome to Learn Statistics class. In this class, we are going to learn the statistical concept in simple and more easy way. The topic of today's lecture is mathematical expectation. In this topic, we are going to learn factorial moments. So let us start with factorial moments about origin. The factorial moments are denoted by mu bracket r dash. If a random variable x assumes values x1, x2 up to xn with probabilities p1, p2, pn respectively, then the nth factorial moment about origin of a random variable x is defined as mu bracket r dash is equal to expectation xr factorial, which is equal to summation. Here x raised to bracket r denotes the factorial of a random variable x, not raised to r. Summation I equal to 1 to n xi factorial into probability I, which is same as xi into xi minus 1 multiplied by xi minus 2 up to xi minus r plus 1 into probability I. This is the definition of nth factorial moment about origin. Now we shall consider the particular cases of factorial moment. Put r equal to 1 in mu bracket r dash. This is the first case. We get mu 1 factorial is equal to summation xi factorial into probability I. Since there is only one factorial of xi, so it is only xi into probability I equal to 1 to n, and which is same as expectation value of x, and this is nothing but the first raw moment about origin. Hence the first factorial moment about origin is same as first raw moment about origin. This is the first particular case of factorial moment. Now we shall see the second particular case by putting r equal to 2 in mu r dash. We get mu 2 factorial dash is equal to summation x2 factorial into probability I is 1 to n. Of course, every time the summation is from I equal to 1 to n. Which is equal to summation. Here there are two factors of xi, so it is xi into xi minus 1 into probability I. By simplifying this bracket, multiplying xi pi inside the bracket, we get xi square pi minus xi pi. Take the summation inside the bracket, we get mu 2 factorial is equal to summation xi square into probability I minus summation xi into probability I is from 1 to n. We know that the first term is nothing but expectation of x square, and second is summation xi pi is expected value of x. which is equal to mu2 dash minus mu1 dash. This is the second particular case of factorial moment. The second factorial moment about origin is given by the second raw moment and minus the first raw moment about origin. We shall consider the third particular case. This is the second particular case. Third particular case is, put r equal to 3. Mu3 factorial is equal to expectation of x3 factorial, which is same as summation xi factorial x into probability I is 1 to n. The third factorial of xi is xi into xi minus 1 into xi minus 2 into probability of xi. Now multiply the bracket, we get summation xi cube minus 3 xi square plus 2 xi into probability I. We shall take summation pi inside the bracket, then we get summation xi cube into probability I minus 3 summation xi square pi plus twice summation xi into pi. By observing this expression, we can find the first term is expectation of x cube, second term is expected value of x square, and last one is expectation of x. Therefore, the third factorial moment, mu3 factorial moment, is equal to expectation of x cube minus 3 expectation of x square plus twice expected value of x, and these are the raw moments about origin. The first one is mu3 dash minus 3 mu2 dash plus twice mu1 dash. This is the third factorial moment about origin. Now we shall consider the examples on factorial moment in order to understand the factorial moments in more details. So let us start with example number 1. If x is a random variable with following PMF, then find first two factorial moments. Here we have given the values of x and its probability. So we shall start the calculation of first two factorial moments. We know that the first factorial moment mu1 dash is equal to the first raw moment about origin, as we have seen in the particular cases of factorial moments, and this mu1 dash is nothing but expectation of x, which can be obtained by summation xi into pi. Here x, first value of x is 0 into 1 by 3, its probability, similarly 1 into 1 half plus 2 into 1 by 24, 3 into 1 upon 8. So it becomes 1 half plus 2 by 24 plus 3 by 8. By taking LCM, we get 24 plus 4 plus 8 divided by 48, and which is equal to 46 divided by 48. After simplifying, we get it is 23 by 24. This is the first factorial moment about origin. Now let us calculate the second factorial moment. Mu 2 dash. Mu 2 dash is equal to, second factorial moment is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash, as we have seen in the particular case. We have already calculated mu 1 dash, so consider mu 2 dash. First we shall calculate mu 2 dash, then we obtain the second factorial moment. Mu 2 dash is nothing but expectation x square, which is equal to summation xi square into probability of I, which is equal to 0 square into 1 upon 3 plus 1 square into 1 upon 2 plus 2 square into 1 upon 24 plus 3 square into 1 upon 8, which is equal to 1 by 2, 4 by 24 plus 9 upon 8. By taking LCM, we get 12, 4 plus 27 divided by 24, which is equal to 43 upon 24. This is the second factorial moment about origin. This value of second moment about origin can be substituted in the second factorial moment. So which is equal to 43 by 24 minus mu 1 dash is 23 by 24, and which is equal to 20 by 24. This is the second factorial moment. Now we shall move to the next example. Example number 2. Here in this example, the probability distribution of random variable x is given below, and we want to find the first 3 factorial moments. So let us start with the solution. We know that the first factorial moment mu 1 dash is equal to mu 1 dash, which is equal to expectation of x, first raw moment about origin, and which is minus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 3 into 1 half plus 1 into 1 by 6, which is equal to, by taking LCM, we get minus 4 plus 9 plus 1 divided by 6. So it is first factorial moment equal to 6 upon 6, which is equal to 1. This is the first factorial moment about origin. Now we shall calculate the second factorial moment. The formula for second factorial moment is mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash. Let me write the formula for third factorial moment also, which is equal to mu 3 dash minus 3 mu 2 dash plus twice mu 1 dash. Here we have to calculate this mu 2 dash and mu 3 dash in order to find out the second factorial moment and third factorial moment. So let us start to calculate the second round moment about origin. Mu 2 dash equal to expectation x square, which is summation xi square into probability I. In the previous lecture, we have already learned how to calculate the raw moments and central moments. If student want to learn more detail about the raw moments and central moment, then click on the I button at the top right corner of the screen, and link of that lecture is also given in the description box. So mu 2 dash equal to minus 2 square into 1 by 3 plus 3 square into 1 upon 2 plus 1 square into 1 by 6. So it is 4 by 3, 9 by 2 plus 1 upon 6. By taking LCM, we get 8 plus 27 plus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to 36 by 6, and it is 6. This is the second raw moment about origin. Now let us calculate the third raw moment about origin, mu 3 dash, which is equal to expected value of x cube, and it is summation xi cube into pi is equal to minus 2 cube 1 by 3 plus 3 cube into 1 upon 2 plus 1 cube into 1 by 6, which is equal to minus 8 by 3 plus 9 by 2 plus 1 upon 6. By taking the LCM, we get minus 16 plus 27 plus 1 divided by 6, which is equal to 12 upon 6. So it is 2. By substituting the mu 2 dash and mu 3 dash in third factorial moment, we get third factorial moment is equal to 2 minus 3 into 6 plus 2 into 1. So it is 2 minus 18 plus 2, which is equal to minus 14. This is the third factorial moment about origin. In this way, in this lecture, we learn the definition of factorial moment and the particular cases of factorial moment, in which we observe the relation between raw moments about origin and the factorial moments about origin. Further, we have taken 2 examples in order to elaborate the factorial moments. If student like this lecture, then click on the like button, share with your friends in order to learn statistical concept in simple and more easy way. Further, the students are requested to subscribe the Learn Statistics channel for the upcoming lectures in the upcoming days. Many more statistical concepts are taken on the Learn Statistics platform. If student want to learn that topics, then click at the top right corner of the screen, and link of all the playlists are given in the description box. We will meet in the next lecture with the next topic. Till then, we will stop here. Thank you.